Welcome to Foodtastic. Today we are going to see how to make mushroom sandwich. Heat to pan. Add 1 teaspoon of butter. Now add half chopped onion. Saute it until it is soft. Now add quarter green capsicum, quarter red capsicum, half teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, 100 grams of mushroom, half teaspoon of salt, pepper powder quarter teaspoon. Saute it for few minutes until the mushrooms are cooked. Take bread slices, spread the pizza sauce, place the cheese slice, or you can leave this if you don't like. Fill with mushroom mixture. Add some cheese if you want. Otherwise leave it as it is. Now we will see 3 methods of toasting sandwich. First we will see how to make it in dosa pan. Heat a dosa pan. Now place the sandwich and press it gently. Cook around 30 seconds on each side. Another method is electric griddle. Preheat the electric griddle for 3 minutes. Now place the sandwich in the griddle. Cook for 3 to 4 minutes. Another method of cooking is take place in the oven. Keep the sandwich in the grill rack. Set it as grill mode. Cook around 4 to 5 minutes in high temperature. Take it out and flip the sandwich, then cook for 4 to 5 minutes. Cut it diagonally. Now the mushroom sandwich is ready. Please try this at your home. Post your feedback, like and share the video. Subscribe our channel for more updates. Thanks for watching.